I'm nervous.
Good morning, and we are going to the Black Temple today.
It's called the Black House. So it's like 100 acres worth of land with a bunch of different buildings and like little artifacts that were created by this artist. I don't know his name right now, but we're gonna find out. And apparently it's really cool and kind of creepy, and hopefully it's a lot of fun. We're really excited to go because it's like the one thing we're doing in Shanghai.
Yeah.
So
yeah, but first we have to take a bus that we don't know if we can catch. We're taking a bus to a different city, but we're telling them to drop us off on the side of the road.
yeah.
So I don't know how that's gonna work, or if we're gonna be able to get back, because apparently you have to hail a bus down that's going on the highway.
It sounds very exciting. I'm very excited to try it out.
Well, we'll see if it works, but I don't know if we can get this bus. I think we found the green bus.
We're sitting in front of our bus. It's right there, but no one's on it, and we don't want to be the first people to be on it because I don't want to sit on the bus because none of the windows are open and it seems uncomfortable. So we're just kind of sitting here waiting to see someone get on it. Plus, I don't see the bus driver, so I don't know if like if you pay when you get on it or you sit down and then you pay. But when we get on it, we have to tell them to drop us off at the Black House. And so they'll know where to drop us off. And then from there, it's like a 10-minute walk to where we need to be.
Update, we're attempting to get on the bus. Low ceilings. New strategy, exiting the bus and waiting for the bus driver. It's like 20 degrees warmer in that thing.
So we're sitting here eating our breakfast, and I'm seeing a lot of buses that are going to the White Temple, which is getting like a lot of hype around here. But the problem is that you can't take pictures or video while you're inside, so we wouldn't be able to take you on that adventure with us. But it seems to me that like the Black House isn't getting the hype it deserves because it seems really, really cool.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to go to the White Temple. I don't know. I guess we'll see.
Okay, so after waiting for like 10 minutes, he has turned the splashers on, so we're gonna get on this steamy bus. The buses left, we have these fans that like, look at this thing. Who needs air conditioning? I will say, we did it! That was very relaxing. Like very relaxing.
It's a good thing we sat right next to the door, which was wide open the whole time, which I think was a really good
There's a car.
thing.
So we just got dumped off on the side of the road. Now we're walking like 15 minutes.
Not even, like maybe 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's plenty of signs too that it says, it points you in the direction of the Baandam Museum.
There you go. I would call that the Black Temple. I'm loving this vibe here. It feels very like gothic and like dark and just completely different from anything we've ever seen.
Yeah.
Just like step into another world. It's the Haunted Mansion Thai style.
So we've been walking around for a little bit, and this place is really, really beautiful. Like, it's kind of hard to video because it's really dark.
Really black.
Really, really black. Like, most of the buildings are absolutely black. There's a bunch of like skulls of like animals and horns, and they like furniture made out of horns.
Things.
It is. It's not creepy. It's just a lot. Like, there's so much here. There's so many like crocodile skins.
Yeah. For any of you guys that have
snake
seen
skins.
Love Actually, it's not funny. It's odd.
It's odd.
Actually, they're not funny. They're odd.
So Lactonbowl's awesome, and now we got to flag down this bus that apparently comes every 15 minutes, but it's Sunday, so we're skeptical. Maybe it'll take an hour, I don't know. And we hope we don't see one go by as we're walking up.
Yeah.
He's going a little hitchhiker. Oh yeah.
I'll sit there, you sit here. Take a bus.
And that's what we took instead of a bus. Same price. Straight to our front door. Wow. So that was super easy. Just like instead of getting a bus, you just basically, it's like a taxi cab or like a, it's Uber Grab? Uber Pool.
Pretty much, but it's like these green taxis that have like, they're trucks and they have like a cage in the back and a bunch of people can fit in there.
Yeah, and instead of having to wait an hour for our dang bus,
didn't know when would come,
or if it existed,
it came in 5 minutes and picked us up.
Perfect.
And it was the same price. So it all worked out for the better, actually.
we're like feeling Chiang Rai because it's like the small mountain town is what it was advertised, and it's like the meeting place of all these different cultures and 3 different countries, and so it feels very different here than Bangkok or Chiang Mai, because like
very different.
It's influenced by so many different people. We have found the jackpot. Look at all those people sitting there.
Okay, so we're trying this hot pot thing out. So he brought over a bowl of cabbage and noodles and an egg. 2 little ramekins of hot sauce, I think. And then a big plate of like raw meat, a piece of a carrot, and I think more noodles. So we'll see how this goes.
Megan first.
Please go ahead. Don't mess it up.
Romero.
I'm nervous.
Why? What are you gonna mess up?
I'm just gonna my fingers. I don't know what else to do.
That's what you're supposed to do. Just had an incident. The flame has ignited and it burned Leah's neck.
Do you see it?
No, you can't see it yet. Oh, I can't believe it. I've heard about hot pots so many places, but to have one place that like specializes in it, this is crazy. I mean, I didn't think we would. Every other table has a hot pot. All right, just gonna ladle it out. Ooh. Wow. Oh, those were noodles.
Noodles. I'm just eating vegetables.
Vegetables boiled in broth. That's good.
I get why everybody has them now. It's broth. First time having mango sticky rice. It's taken us forever to have it personally. It's really good. The rice is so warm and it's sweet and it's got coconut. And it's sticky and it's chewy and it's good. And then the mango's kind of like a refresher. Oh my gosh. So that meal was so good.
And it was just so much fun. Like people watching, like everyone got the same pot and the same meat basically, but they all do it so different.
It was so good. Like better than I had ever could have dreamed it could be. Like it was so delicious. Like the meat was so tender. I ate so many vegetables because they tasted so good. And then Zach ended it with some mango sticky rice and like new favorite.
Perfect meal.
Perfect meal.
Wow, it's really out there. A wise man once said, oh wait, are they very wise?